Hi, I'm Kristy K, and today we're talking toolbox. What's in yours and why you need to have one. We're spending a lot of time at home these days, and what better way to be able to fix something yourself than having to call somebody? So first I want to talk about the actual toolbox, and in my case it's a bag. I like a bag that has a wax lining on the inside. It keeps it a little bit cleaner, and it also has a great shape. So it holds its shape when I put it down on the floor, so I can either take things out or put things back easily, and I don't need two hands to do it. Another key thing in your toolbox, everyone has to have a hammer, but check your weights when you're in the store. Pick it up. Does it feel too heavy? You don't need something really significant for little projects around the house. Another thing in the toolbox, a must-have, is a tape measure. But again, do you need a 16-foot or a 25-foot? If you're measuring for rugs, things like that, you'll probably need a larger one. But if it's simple projects like hanging some child's artwork or a new photo, a smaller one will do just fine. Another thing I love to have is a staple gun. You wonder, what would you use this for? Well, I'll tell you. Sometimes the fabric underneath a chair or sofa starts to come apart. A couple staples and it's fixed. You don't need to call somebody. Another key item is a level. When you're hanging that artwork, you want to make sure it's straight. This helps out a lot. Some even have a magnetic strip on it, which can also be helpful too. The drill. Don't be scared of this, people. It is so easy to use, and they come in all price points now. IKEA sells a great cordless version for $19.99. This one will run you about $100. It's a little bit stronger. The battery life's a little bit longer. But again, more info on that, check my videos and I'll show you how to use one. A flashlight. Always important. You never know when you're looking behind something and you need some extra light. Now, screwdrivers. There are two types of heads on a screwdriver, a flat head and a Phillips head. I love a screwdriver that actually has different sizes and they're inside stored. So they're always accessible, nice and easy. And then you only need one tool. There you go. Clippers. I have so many pairs of these. I actually leave them in my car as well, in my glove box. But this is for if I'm trimming things around the house, outside some bushes, or maybe doing a little holiday sprucing up gardening. I can stop on the side of the road and pick some beautiful floral and fauna. Another thing, there are some great basic kits out. This is a basic picture hanging kit, and it comes with some wire, some nails, and some all different type weighted supports for the nails, so you can hang all different types of artwork. And also, there are some great starter kits for screws, some wall anchors. Again, more on that later, but this is a great thing to keep on hand. Lastly, couple items left. Your box cutter, razor blades are stored right inside, so if it gets a little dull, you have a backup. Scissors. And then I like to keep a pouch. In this pouch, I keep a calculator, a pad of paper, some pencils, a Sharpie, and a pencil sharpener. So whether I need to take some quick measurements as I'm hanging things, everything I have is nice and contained in a zippered pouch inside my tool bag. So I hope this helps you out. Now, get to those home projects. I'm sure there's lots of things around the house you could be doing right now. Enjoy.